Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove Capcut watermark from inside video. So as you know now, Capcut, if you edit your videos on Capcut, there will be Capcut watermark inside your video in the upper right corner or left, in upper right or left, or bottom right or left. So it depends on the position that you selected and how you can remove that. So here I'm going to show you. First, let's open Capcut apps, and then here let's say I want to, okay, so let's skip this. Sorry, there's so many ads in here now in CapCut. Let's just open the projects that you want to edit. This one, for example. So these are my edits. This is my edits right here, my project. And as you guys can see, at the top right here, there will be this CapCut watermark that will shown throughout the whole videos like this. And how to remove it, you can just follow my step here. So before exporting your videos here, you can click on this resolution at the top, resolution box, click on that, and here you'll see the resolution, frame rate, and code rate. At the bottom you'll find watermark options, and you can just click on this CapCut. Now you can see this is the preview of the watermark, and if you want to remove it here, you can just click on the hidden option. So as you guys can see, I have 10 free uses of a free watermark on CapCut. You can just click on hidden now and the watermark will be gone. But please be noted that if the this amount is running out, or the free uses is gone, you need to pay for it, or you need to join the CapCut Pro if you want to remove the watermark. So after this, you can just go back and you can see the preview by playing your videos. And as you guys can see at the top or at the bottom, there is no CapCut watermark again because I still have a 10 free uses. So I'm suggesting you, if you want to remove the watermark freely, you can just join the CapCut Pro and use it for free. So you can just have your videos without the CapCut watermark by joining the Pro. So that's all for me. I hope this simple tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on the like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks button. Bye.